Are you struggling to build an online store for your business? Are you? I'm sure you must be knowing platforms that promise to help you, but there are only few platforms that actually deliver what they promise. And Storeplum is one of those rare platforms. Hey guys, I'm Nazari with AppStudio, bringing some of the most fabulous marketing and business tools to you. I'm happy and excited because I'm going to tell you about Storeplum, an e-commerce platform designed to help you build a profitable store fast. No doubt, Storeplum is the best way to get your online store functional, optimized and pulling more cash than a Hollywood star. It's easy to sign in, you just need to follow 5 simple checklists. It literally takes you step by step through the process of building your store, starting with step 1. Choose a theme and initialize your online store with a single click. That's it. Now your store is open, but you probably want to customize a bit. So let's go to step 2. Storeplum's Store Designer is where you customize your store, like change color, upload picture, add sections, etc. It's all very simple and very instinctive. You can also customize product pages with important stuffs like features and pricing. And Storeplum is easy to add cross-sell and upsell opportunities also with the highlighted products section. This is the best way to increase profit from every transaction. Now it's step 3. It's all about adding your products. Wow, that's amazing. I mean, hidden inside the product section, product metadata. For every product you add to your store, you can control SEO to boost organic traffic. And if it was not already obvious, the more traffic you get, the more sales you get. That's an important aspect of a successful business. For the next steps, I mean 4 and 5. For everything else, Storeplum offers you like integration, analytics and flexible discounting. Hit the link below just now, but hurry because this deal is on high demand and it is going away soon. Subscribe AppStudio for more deals and reviews.